Hi everybody, it's Diana with stampingwithdie.com. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel and this very impromptu video. And because I have almost sold out of the Hippest Hippo bundle class in the mail for October, so I thought I would like to sell out so I don't have any of these left. So I thought I would pop on and remind you about it, as well as show you the projects, and that way if you have any questions, I'll be watching off to the side, and if you have any questions I can answer you there. If you are not watching it while it is live, then please leave comments below, and then YouTube will let me know that you have a question. So if you have never been to my YouTube channel before, my name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona, and I do monthly class in the mail kits. So this is October. This one is a little bit different, as well as the November one, because the October one, what I'm going to show you now, you can't switch anything out because I have the exact amount of everything to go with the kit, and these are the bundle, the Hippest Hippo stamp set, and the die were actually available during celebration, so you had to order $100 before tax and shipping in order to get these. So what I was doing when I was putting in orders for classes or supplies or whatever things I needed, I was just grabbing a few on the side because I knew I would want to do this as a class later. So this is what I'm doing now. So this is the October class in the mail kit. So I just thought I'd pop in there quick and show you so that I can sell out, because I like to sell out my classes for sure. So if you are watching for the first time, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you are interested in the class, just make sure you know that I can only send in the USA. So you do have to be in the USA only to do my class in the mail kits. That's just a rule in regards to being a Stampin' Up demonstrator. We can only sell within our country. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera and so I can show you these cute projects. So close your eyes for a second while I get the camera placed. All right, so that was pretty quick. All right, so this is, oh, that's nice and crooked. There we go. So the October class in the mail kit, as I've been blabbing about, is the Hippest Hippos bundle while supplies last, and it's $60, and that includes the bundle. So the bundle is the die, your hippo dies, and the Hippest Hippo stamp set. It also includes the cute little hippo notebook. I found these and I thought, you know what, these would be a great little thing to put with this class, and then you can keep notes when you're watching the video, because you will get a private video with how to make the projects. You're also going to get gray granite blends as well as smoky slate blends. You'll also get a white gel pen, and you also get a pack of the polished dots embellishments. I love these. And it also includes the priority postage, a PDF with the close-up pics of the projects, that private video link that I was talking about, so that you can make your projects along with me at your leisure. Then you can fast forward, you can slow it down, you can rewind it, you can stamp in your pajamas because no one is going to see you. So that is all. I just want to make sure I didn't forget anything. And so this will, now this kit will go out the end of October. All right, so these are the projects you're going to be making. So you will get everything you need to make these projects. Nothing will be stamped because you're going to use your stamp set, and nothing will be die cut out because you will be using your die. Now, that being said, see this cute little die right here? This is not part of the hippo dies, so that will be in your kit. So if I'm using another die from something else that is not part of the hippo die, then that will definitely be in your packet. So everything's cut, ready to go. You just have to make your project. So this is a super cute little one. And see, look at, this is why you got that pack of polished dots. Because look at, I just put them around so it looks like there's all these little bubbles outside of the little wash bucket. So that one's super cute. So you'll get your little envelopes, and don't forget to decorate them. I am so bad about decorating my envelopes. All right, so then you have this cute card. So there's 5 projects. And then I didn't put anything on the inside of this one. Super cute. And then you can see I used the white gel pen to put some polka dots on her cute little dress. And there's some more of the polished dots. Here's another one of the projects. Look how fun these guys are. They're like in a pool or something. Super cute. Now I did stamp on the inside of that one. So this die, this will be all ready for you to go, because where these circles come, that's the picture this die. That's not part of the hippo die either. So that will be already, you know, ready to go. Same with your little, whatchamacallit here, this little speech bubble. That's from an old Stampin' Up die, and I just could not resist having a speech bubble there. So that will be in your supplies as well. And then I just, you know, did some little white gel pen to make this look even more like a life preserver. And I was thinking of like the SS minnow, so I just wrote SS in there. And so this is super cute. So that's the 3rd card. The 4th card is this one here, the cute little hippo. Now you've seen me do this fold before. And I can't remember what it is, but it's just a cute little fold. It's like, who knows, but it's cute. So you've got this little fun little girl on the baker's twine. So the baker's twine will be in here. And then we just did the fun little umbrella, like she's balancing herself with the umbrella. And then the last card is this one. I love making the slimline. So this is a fun little slimline. And we turned our hippos into cows. And that is so fun. And I just put something simple on the inside. And I couldn't resist using the little black sunglasses that you will get when you die cut out this one right here. So you'll die cut out this the little sunglasses here, and you want these little inserts that come out. So I just put them in here, but I still had the little black glasses left over. So I just use them on this card. I use the white gel pen that you're going to get, and I just put little marks on there so it kind of looks like, you know, they have the tape on their glasses. It reminds me, wasn't it Revenge of the Nerds? Was it Keith Carradine? And I think he had like the masking tape on his glasses, but that's what made me think of it. So anyway, so this is the last project for that class. So like I said, make sure you sign up. I'm almost sold out, so you don't want to miss out on that, because you can't get these anymore. Now I've had some people, let me turn the phone so I can say, see you later, alligator. I've had some people reach out to me and say, but I already have the hippo stamp set, or I already have the dies, or I already have both. Then you'll get 2. Like if you really want to do the class, you'll just have to, you know, get another set, and then maybe you give your set to like a friend or something, and then maybe you do the project together. Maybe you make half the cards and they make half the cards, but there's no way to switch out this, because like I said, I have just the right amount to do the class. So all right, so I'm gonna stop blabbing. Make sure you holler at me as soon as you can, and then I will I'll also I'm gonna put this on my blog so that you can see it as well. And then when it's sold out, then I'll just put like sold out on my blog, and then I'll come back to this video as well. So all right, so I'm gonna stop blabbing. Have a great weekend, everyone. If you have any questions at all, make sure you let me know. Thanks so much for spending this time with me, this little impromptu video, and have a good weekend, and I will see you Monday. All right, bye for now.